Yeah. VQ. Badman.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to win some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Welcome back to my kitchen and to my channel. But I'm going to show you how to make the world's greatest boneless fried chicken in the world. Come on and let's get started. Let's jump right into it. I have my boneless chicken right here, which has been washed nice and clean with vinegar and lemon juice. I have about 3 pounds of boneless chicken breast right there. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to use my hot sauce for that. You're going to need paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, black pepper, and chicken seasoning. Of course, if you don't have chicken seasoning, go for some all-purpose seasoning. Poultry seasoning is fine. And the last 3 eggs, and that's all we'll need. Come on and let's get started. Now, this is your first step, and all the amounts for this recipe will be down in the description. You're going to add your salt and black pepper and your chicken seasoning. Mix that together and set this aside. Now we're moving on to our next step. 3 eggs right there. You're going to add your paprika. I'm using my Keith Lauren King Spice collection. Add Scotch bonnet pepper. Your hot sauce. And then you add 1/4 cup of water. And mix this all together. And set it aside. Now we're moving on to our next step. 2 cups of flour, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and blend this all in and set this aside. So you're going to go ahead and get your chicken, dip it into your mixture, and then you place it into the flour. Now that I have my chicken nicely coated, it's time to go into my deep fryer. Now, if you're not going to use your deep fryer, you're going to use your stovetop, you want to make sure that you make sure a lot of oil is in your pot. You want to make sure your oil is nice and hot. You also want to make sure that you fry these bad boys 5 minutes on each side at least until nice crispy golden brown. Alright, so let's get going.
Kingston 12 trends down. Cookie politician come down. When the police come, you're wrong.
Like, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.